So today we are making a spring roll. I'd actually done the pastry, but just know that you can't do pastry without using non-stick either fry pan or pot. Anything you must use to do pastry must be non-stick, else everything will just burn there. But with non-stick, nothing. As you gum am, it will just come up. Right now we finished making the pastry. We are now rolling it. This is the spring roll. At least with this, after rolling, we'll go fry it. Before then, I also did the sauce. When I was done with the pastry, I did the sauce. With this sauce, you can use anything of your choice. Like me, I use geisha, sausage, egg, tomato, spice. After everything, I just fried it and got this. Just make sure that you don't make it too salty. And again, your pastry must also, like I did my pastry. When I was mixing it, I mixed milk, sugar, salt. Those were what I used for the pastry when I was mixing them. Then if you want to do pastry, you have to make it a bit watery, not really too sticky. I also mixed a little flour that I made it a bit watery, that I'm using to gum it together, because without it, if you put it inside fire or if you start frying it, everything will just like open. But when you use that small flour to gum it together, it will just remain like that even when you're frying it. Very soon we'll start frying. And since you had already made the pastry and they went through fire, you may not really fry it too much, because in fact, as the pastry is, we can even eat it raw. It's very sweet raw. Some people actually use it to take tea, only the pastry alone, because the pastry is actually very sweet. Make sure you're frying on a very low heat. Don't make it so hot. Now I've put the spring roll. I've started frying. All these ones are done, so I want to bring them out. So I'm still frying more and more and more and more. Yummy, 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 yummy. Puffs. Fry it. Okay, let my son open the inside so that you see how it looks like. Yeah, open. See, very hot. Oh, bono feli feli. And not only hot, very sweet. David, the one you have eaten, can you describe it? How does it taste?
It's very nice and crunchy.
And Sam, are you?
Very nice and crunchy.
So just this is how the inside looks like. We just finished our own now. This is just the remaining. We took it with tea, and come and see how we are sweating. Evidence that you are actually taking a very good diet. So instead of you to just be buying all this, because one is that we don't know how they mix the water they use, we don't know how hygienic they are, we don't even know what they put inside. So they say health is wealth. So instead of you to be buying all just junks here and there, try to start making. Aside this, if I do meat pie for you, you will call me to be doing chef for you. So learn all this. If you learn it, your family will be happy. You know, we also do at times biscuit, bread. And I learned all these things from my YouTube. I actually utilize my data a lot, because data is quite expensive now. So putting data every day without even you're not earning from it, and you're still not doing the right thing that will benefit you at home, then I mean, it's defeated. So let's just try. As we enter this new year 2026, let's reduce hand from frivolous expenses, especially those kind of things that we can produce ourselves. Let's reduce hand, and you're happy, your children will be happy, and you'll have a happy family. Thank you, everyone, and I want to wish you a happy new year in a bit. Just few hours to the new year. Few hours, I said. Thank you.